Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your cover photo or cover picture on Facebook from PC, laptop or MacBook. So you can see this is my profile, like this is my Facebook profile and home page. So what you need to do, you need to click here your name, and then you'll see here it's a profile page, and you'll see here profile picture, and this is your cover picture. So what you need to do, you need to click here edit cover photo, simply click here. Then you'll see some option, like you can remove or you can also like upload photo, choose cover photo. So upload photo and you will see your memory, and if you again click edit photo and if you choose cover photo, then you will see that which photo you already uploaded on your on your Facebook. You will see all the photos, so you can choose. So I just uploaded two photos, so if you choose here, then you can see this is raw, but if you don't want to change, simply click cancel, then you will see the previous one. So this is really easy and a short tutorial, friend. Today's no more, and thank you for watching.